this was a Dodge, it would have been done already, like yesterday. Dun, 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 dun. Fucking song, it just reminds me of like a firehouse decorated with fucking ornaments. Another one down. Just a pimp pop. Chest pain, high blood pressure, stop doing fucking
condition like atrial fibrillation, which can make you about 5 times more likely to have a stroke. If you're having these symptoms, don't wait. Talk to a doctor by phone, online, or in person.
Already done. That's how we do it, Extreme. Done. Send it.
I want you to get one of those,
Carbon mirror cap. What?
I want you to get one of those buttons on the wall that says, but instead of saying, fuck yeah, I want to say, send it. Fucking send it.
Yeah, I'll record it myself just for you.
With thousands of wines, spirits, and beers. And kosher wines too, at all excellent prices.
Pissed off. The good one went missing again. I think Bill Papa did it.
Brian's car, right? We gotta do the whole job because someone took the factory amp out of it, and Brian wants all the speakers.
Now this front plate has got to go, but I know that's going to look like shit, so I got to get those white caps for the time being and then paint it. And I already knew there was a little bit of damage. I couldn't even get the camera back there. There was a little bit of damage there, so I guess the guy put this on there. And I knew already when I bought the car that was there though. And yeah, so let's see how bad. Alright, so it's actually not as bad as I thought. I put the black bolts back in just because I cannot fathom the idea of leaving open holes here. This was the damage that I was told before I bought the car, so I already knew about that. And yeah, it's not as bad as I thought, but I gotta get those white plugs, and then I really don't know if I want to go through all the trouble of removing the whole front bumper and having it painted and all that shit. So let's see. It's supposed to be a daily driver. I gotta treat it like a daily driver. And yeah. And make sure I got the perfect placement for the camera and radar. You want me to go to the front?
Yeah,
It's up a little bit. Come down a little. Got the cameras and the radar back in. And as far as technology goes, we got wait for the remote start to be a thing. I got to go back to BMW and grab another key from service. I don't even know how much that's going to cost, but yeah.